Good morning, students. We are on chapter number 4 of account part 2, analysis of financial statement, and in this lecture we are going to solve sum number 13, which is given on page number 207 and 208. This is the sum. Balance sheet of 2 years of Saurashtra Limited are as follow. Prepare common size statement. So balance sheet is given to us. Amounts of 2 years are given, 2017 and 2016. Equity capital, equity and liability side, shareholders fund, in that share capital, equity share capital and preference share capital is given. Equity share capital for 17 is 25 lakh and for 16 also 25 lakh, and preference share capital there was nothing in 2016 and in 2017 it is 15 lakh. Reserves and surpluses are given 6 lakh and 8 lakh respectively for previous year and current year, that is 16 and 17, and profit and loss account 6 lakh and 4 lakh 50,000. Non-current asset, which is bank loan, 15 lakh in both the year, and short term borrowing 2 lakh and 6 lakh for the respective years, and then current liability 6 lakh and 1 lakh 50,000. Then what else is given to? Moreover, asset side, current non-current asset, in that tangible asset, machinery, land and building, and then intangible, trademark and goodwill are given, right? There is no goodwill in the year 2016, but in 17 it is 4 lakh 50,000. Trademarks 3 lakh 40,000 and 5 lakh respectively. Land and building 15 lakh and 25 lakh, and machine 20 lakh and 15 lakh. Then is non-current investment, both the year 15 lakh, and in current asset, debtors 3 lakh and 3 lakh 75,000 respectively. Stock 2 lakh 40,000 and 3 lakh 75,000, and cash and equivalent 1 lakh 20,000 and 3 lakh respectively, and totals are 60 lakh and 75 lakh for both side of asset side as well as liability side. This is the total of liability side. So friends, here we are asked to prepare common size statement of this balance sheet. So we know that in theory we have discussed about it, that for common size of statement of balance sheet we need to give the total. We have to take total of balance sheet as base and we have to give it 100, right? And accordingly the percentage we will be calculating. So here the total of balance sheet for 2016 year 60 lakh, and for the year 2017 it is 75 lakh. As per this we will be calculating the percentage for all the items given to us for asset and liabilities. So let us begin with this. Here it is. Sum number 13, common size statement of balance sheet of Saurashtra Limited as on 31/3/2016 and 31/3/2017. The first item is given to us at equity and liability side is equity share capital, which is 25 lakh in both the years, and total of 2016 is 60 lakh and 2017 is 75 lakh. So we will take this as a base, so it will be 100% in both the years. 60 lakh is 100% for the year ending on 31/3/2016, and for the year 2017 75 lakh is the 100%, and remaining percentage proportionately we will find. Here equity share capital is 25 lakh out of 60 lakh, so 25 lakh upon 60 lakh into 100 will give us 41.67. So the percentage of equity share capital for the year 2016 is 41.67. Let us talk about 2017. It is 25 lakh and 75 lakh. So 25 lakh upon 75 lakh into 100 we get 33.33%. Okay, now talk about the second item, which is preference share capital. There is no preference share capital in the year 2016, so dash both the place in amount amount in rupees, and in percentage dash will come. And in the year 2017 the total preference capital is 15 lakh and total of 17 is 75 lakh. So 15 lakh upon 75 lakh into 100 will give us 20%. So 20% will be the amount of percentage of preferential capital, 20. Let us talk about next item, which is reserves and surplus. And reserves and surplus is, in reserves and surplus, the first item is given general reserve, which is 6 lakh in the year 2016 and 8 lakh in the year 2017. And when we convert this in percentage, so 6 lakh upon 60 lakh into 100, we get 10%, so 10.00 in the column of percentage. And 8 lakh in the year of 2017, so 8 lakh upon 75 lakh, which is the total of 2017. So 8 lakh upon 75,000, 8 lakh upon 75 lakh into 100, we get 6.67%. So 6.67 in the column of percentage. Next is profit and loss account, 6 lakh in the year 2016 out of total of 60 lakh. So 6 lakh upon 60 lakh into 100 will give us 10%. And in the year 2017, 4 lakh 50,000 out of total 75 lakh. So 4 lakh 50,000 divided by 75 lakh into 100 will give us 6%. Okay, then is bank loan. It is 15 lakh in both the years, but in the year 2016 it is 15 lakh against the total of balance is 60 lakh. So 15 lakh upon 60 lakh into 100 we get 25%. Right, and in the year 2017 it is 15 lakh but against the total of rupees 75 lakh. So 15 lakh upon 75 lakh into 100 and we get 20%. The next item is short term borrowings. Short term borrowings are 2 lakh and 6 lakh respectively. 2 lakh out of 60 lakh, so 2 lakh upon 60 lakh into 100 will give us 3.33%, and 6 lakh upon 75 lakh into 100 will give us 8%. Then other current liability, it is 6 lakh and 1 lakh 50,000. So 6 lakhs out of 60 lakh, so 6 lakh upon 60 lakh into 100 we get 10%, and 1 lakh 50,000 upon 75 lakh into 100 we get 2%. Right, and this is the total which is taken as 100%. So this is the common size statement for asset side. Let us continue with the liability. Sorry, this was the common size statement of liability side. Let us continue for the asset side. So it is on the another page. Here I move to the another page, asset. Now we can see here in asset, the first item is given to us tangible asset, which is machinery, machines and land and building. Machines are 20 lakh and 15 lakh respectively, and again the total is same, 60 lakh and 75 lakh. So machine 20 lakh out of 60 lakh, so 20 lakh upon 60 lakh into 100 will give us 33.33%. And in the year 2017 it is 15 lakh out of 75 lakh, so 15 lakh upon 75 lakh into 100 will give you 20%. Okay, let us talk about the another one, the second item, which is land and building. It is 15 lakh in the year 16 out of 60 lakh. So 15 lakh upon 60 lakh into 100 we get 25%. And in the year 2017 it is 25 lakh. So 25 lakh upon 75 lakh into 100 we get 33.33%. Okay, and let us take the next item, which is intangible asset and trademarks. So trademarks are given how much? 3,40,000 out of 60 lakh in the year 2016. So 3,40,000 upon 60 lakh into 100 we get 5.67%. And when we talk about 2017, it is given 5 lakh out of 75 lakh. So 5 lakh upon 75 lakh into 100 we get 6.67%. The next item is goodwill, which is not there in the year 2016. So dash in both the columns. And in the year 2017 it is 4,50,000 out of 75 lakh. So 4,50,000 upon 75 lakh into 100 we get 6%. Okay, next item is non-current investment, which is 15 lakh in both the year, but in the year 2016 it is 15 lakh out of total of 60 lakh. So 15 lakh upon 60 lakh into 100 we get 25%. And in the year 2017 it is 15 lakh out of 75 lakh. out of 75 lakh. So 15 lakh upon 75 lakh into 100 we get 20%. Okay, then comes current asset. In that current asset, the first item is given debtors, which is 3 lakh in the year 2016 out of 60 lakh. So 3 lakh upon 60 lakh into 100 we get 5%. And in the year 2017 it is 3,75,000 out of 75 lakh. So 3,75,000 upon 75 lakh into 100, again we get the 5%. Then comes stock is 2,40,000 out of 60 lakh. So 2,40,000 upon 60 lakh into 100 we get 4%. And when we talk about 2017, it is 3,75,000 out of 75 lakh. So 3,75,000 out of upon 75 lakh into 100 we get 5%. And finally the last item we have cash and equivalent, 1,20,000 out of 60 lakh. So 1,20,000 upon 60 lakh into 100 we get 2%. And here in the year 2017 it is 3 lakh out of 75 lakh. So 3 lakh upon 75 lakh into 100 we get 4%, and this is the total, which is 100% of both the amount. So this is how the common size statement is prepared for both assets and liability side, right? And the percentage are shown in last two columns for respective years. Okay, next lecture we will be doing last sum of this exercise, which is sum number 14. Thank you.